If your harp practice is not what you wish it was, I'm giving a free event that will help transform your practice so you can't wait to spend time with your harp every day. Click the link below to sign up. Now, here are 3 secrets that will change the way you think about practice. Secret number 1. You may think that if you practice regularly and try your best, you should progress well on the harp, and if you don't, you must be a slow learner. But the secret is that the way people naturally practice any skill is not the most effective way to practice, and experts practice in a completely different way. This is why so few people get really good at things, including the harp. Thankfully, there's been research done that studied the difference between how experts practice versus non-experts, and the experts all did similar things that were really different from the average person. So if you're struggling to get results and you think you just need to try harder or practice more, or you even start to think that maybe you're a hopeless case, it's likely that the way you're practicing is a big part of the problem. You're missing some key information on how to practice like an expert. Secret number 2, it might seem like you have to be naturally disciplined and talented to make fast progress on the harp. But the secret is, there is a way to practice that gets such good results that it feels addictive, and it's not dependent on dry self-discipline. In studies about practice, they found that the experts weren't different or more talented than the ordinary people to start off with. They spent just as long practicing, but their playing improved so much more during that time. When you practice in a way that gets such amazing results, practicing can start to feel addictive because you can't wait to feel that same satisfaction again. Secret number 3, you may think that you have to practice for hours every day to become good at harp. But the secret is you can make amazing progress even if you have limited time to practice. The research has found that if you learn to practice like an expert, you'll get better results with a shorter time practicing. And it's very possible to learn how to do this. If you'd like to learn more about this proven way to practice, you should come to my free Transforming Practice weekend that's coming up soon. Click here for more info. You'll be so encouraged that things can change for you.